Welcome back to the Overland Trailer Build Series. Today we are going to go over the shelving design, how it is mounted to the trailer, as well as how the shelves are assembled. This is just part one of the shelving series, so make sure to check back for more videos. The shelving was designed utilizing 10 series extruded aluminum, and all of the pieces were ordered cut to length from T-nuts. All right, we got our 60-pound box of aluminum here from T-nuts. Let's see what they sent us. So the first step to installing the shelving is to get this piece mounted on both sides. Everything is going to bolt through to the floor and to the wall. So we're going to have to trim a little bit of this insulation back, and then we'll make some spacers out of some scrap pieces of flooring, kind of to isolate the two pieces, and then we'll bolt down into the base here. Here are the base pieces just kind of set into place. I've drilled the mounting holes in there. There's 3 on each side. So now we have to drill through and into the frame of the trailer. And then we have to add rib nuts, and then we can bolt this thing down. Alright, now the rib nuts are installed in 3 locations. Next we're going to make some spacers, and then we'll bolt everything together. For the spacers, I'm just going to rip down some extra pieces of flooring to 1 inch and sandwich them between the rail and the base frame. Right here are the shelves currently mocked up. I've used these for a little while. I want to change a couple things. So we can't have these little angle brackets in the corners. So I'm going to use these direct screw replacements, which screw in from the outside and into the middle. The way that this anchors to the floor can't be changed, so we're going to have to cut around those. But these can be eliminated. These can be eliminated. The back ones don't need to be. These back two, because there's no back wall. But these side ones should be. And before we deconstruct this, we're going to measure from the bottom to where these horizontals are, so we know where we need to drill our holes. And then we'll make a mark. These are the tools you need. You need a tap to thread into the middle of the material. These new bolts will then thread straight in. And on the part you're locking it to, these bolts will slide into the crack here. Now you'll need access to the bolt head. So for that, you have to drill a hole to this side, and you use this little jig from 8020. And that's what this number 7 bit is for, to go into this hole for this jig. Right, rebuilding this using these is not that complicated. These go in the slots like here, right here, and screw directly into these cross pieces. So you need to thread the cross pieces, and you need to drill an access hole in the outer pieces. So let's go ahead and do that. And just like that, it's all prepped for the hidden fasteners. See the threaded holes and the access holes. Now we just need to make the panel, screw everything together. These ones I've already tapped. As you can see, here's the tap. Just slowly drill it in. And you're gonna have to go pretty much the whole distance of the threads on the tap. And here is the panel, all screwed together with the plug installed. You can see fasteners are hidden. In the next video, I will go over cutting and assembling the ACM panels. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything.